One of the weirdest thing I found ever in the dumpster. Never saw that before. A freaking chicken. A real one. And there's another one down there. First time I found myself a chicken.
I dare you under every single circumstance. Keep dreaming. Keep looking at your dream. Keep focusing on your dream. Keep going after the dream.
What is going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, living the dream, pushing their wishes and doing the best, the maximum of what they can with what they have. So today I did a major cleanup in my place. Actually, I was surprised. I did a cleanup here in my working spot. I have a bit of footage. I'll show you a bit how my wire stripping machine is working. I'm pretty anyway, it's not really the way I wanted to show it to you, but actually my computer isn't really not that much it's too old for doing the editing that I'm wanting to do with it. So it's really a pain even just to edit the small videos that I'm doing. So I'm actually sorry. I know that there's a bit of expectation. I have couples of people making me question, where are you? Where are your videos? And so I appreciate that support. Honestly, it's warmed my heart to see that people are interested in my life like that, as that much. So I'm pretty much proud of what I build, but honestly, it's hard for me to keep having fun with the YouTube, because it's honestly seems like a work, and I'm not like feeling like taking an algorithm as a boss, honestly. So I will do what I can with what I have, and I'll upload I'll upload when it happens. Sorry about that, but it is what it is, and it will always be like that. So sorry about that. It will happen that I upload more oftenly. It will happen that I take breaks. So it depends on the time that I have. It depends on the willing and I'm not feeling like doing like the others. If you want like do some scrap runs live, I could make a couple of links down there. So there's many people that are doing awesome job doing so, but it's not. I prefer doing more like a tools review or a special piece of scrap. I'm trying maybe to make it learning, like a place to learn about scrap. I'm not forgetting about you guys. I'm still getting paid like $20 per month because of the advertise that rolling right now on my videos. So even though I don't upload that much, there's still people watching my videos. So I appreciate the new subscribers. My sub counts keep climbing right now, so at 2K. Love you guys, all my guys, so all my supporters. So I did, like I said, a major cleanup, and I was a bit shocked the quantity I was able to salvage. So that's pretty much my grocery for the week. So I did all that with my wire stripper this weekend. I have a bit of copper #1, not that much, maybe 4 or 5 pounds. A bit of brass cleaned, and a bit of #2 as well. So I have one washer, one dryer, one actually that is my old washer. Another clip's on the way that you're probably gonna see afterwards. And a bit of shred. I have a water heater, an oven, couples of miscellaneous, and a bucket full of aluminium right there. So gonna go this morning, start with that. I need a bit of cash, so I'm gonna start dealing with that. So I have a scrap run of shred to go drop first this morning. I'm gonna go first to my Tim Hortons. No choice, I need a bit of fuel. So I'm doing good with the EP, honestly. I did a major cleanup here. Maybe you don't remember, but the pile was over here. So I did like maybe 5 or 6 units of turntables that I separated and parted for parts, for spare parts or repair on eBay. I'm doing good, honestly. I did a major score with a ELAC Miracord. I'm gonna throw couples of pictures right now. But I did a major score with those with that turntables. I'm really surprised. Every pieces actually sold in the same week, and I'm having another auction for even the rest over, and it's even though that is selling right now. So I'm shocked. ELAC Miracord. If you found one unit like that, it's a major score. So I have to deal with my vinyls soon. So I'm not sure how I should grade them and to be sure to sell them. I watched couples of video on YouTube, and I'm still not sure why it cut, but I'm still not sure how to pack them to be sure 100%. You should see how I pack my stuff. I don't take any risk still. So a lot of bubble wraps. So those units, that unit has been tested and work. That one is a really expensive one. It goes like for around 200. Even people sold them for 400 bucks because it's VHS and CD, DVD, CD-ROM and DVD, and all of those burner. So I tested the VHS, but I didn't test the burner yet. VHS is working top shape. And I did test that one too, actually is working, and that one too is actually working. All those down there, I have 3 others that's already been scrapped. That one's coming with the scrapyard to this morning as well. Tested and nothing to do with them. And afterwards I have all those that are unbranded that I have to seek for the parts more research. But pretty much everything here is done. And my warehouse right here, so my package. But so every here is listed. The heavier one, and I still have couples of pieces up there that are been listed as well, and my e-waste collection, another turntable, couples of other stuff. I listed, actually that one is from 1967. It's a big year for Quebec for the expo, so maybe it's a special year for that as well. But anyway, it's been listed for 200 bucks, 250 for the 3 units. So and they are even full charge anyway. But that one's 1982 in 1987, if I'm not wrong, but 67 that one. And it's in good shape, so I saw a couple of pieces sold on eBay, but not sure how I could sell those. It's still a pressure unit. I should empty it first and blah blah blah, but anyway, listed. So, and for Sean and Casey, look, I keep the bolt of the guard slack, so when I feed it, it's always keep the pressure on the wires while it's passing, so it's always keeping it inside in the middle. With the other one, it was the same thing. It's a trick that I use, and honestly, no problem at all. Now the only problem is the damn
every fall their dead leaves
burnish. It's slidey on it, so it's slow.
It's inevitable.
Try to
cells,
worth my
stars,
time.
everything dies in the end. That's just the way things work.
Subscribe to our channel. We have tons of foreclosure videos on there. And as always, the dream continues every day. Keep pushing, everyone.
let's go to the Scrapyard. Again, nearby, just by my place. Safely, my friend, my bear bright friend. So, a bit of number 1, I think there. Copper number 2. And my brass down there. But I was going to leave. There's like 5 bins of ice down there. But that's my load, so washer, dryer, water tank, oven, miscellaneous other stuff. So it's pretty much my load for this morning, Monday. So I could go grab that tank right away because I have just another tank scheduled for the day. But I won't take the chance that I find something else on my way there. So on to the Scrapyard we go. A bit less than I was expecting, 700 pounds. 73 bucks. So it's almost 10 bucks per 100. So I'm a bit pissed right now because I lost my 2, not only 1 but 2 magnets. I used to have magnets on my doors with promo logo like I have on my tailgate. I used to have couples of my doors and I lost them, probably on the road because the track is too dirty. But and let's go to the non-ferrous right now, non-ferrous scale. Go drop that beauty. Hope it pay for the grocery this week. Probably. You. Copper price are climbing right now. Really not good. So copper number 2 is over $3. It's really time to sell right now. So 4 pounds. 4 pounds. Yellow brass $2.16. Copper candy $3.22. Die cast zinc 74 cents. Aluminium extrusion 72. Copper bear bright $3.30. Woohoo! 79 bucks for that little bin. And mixed aluminium for a big total of 41 bucks. Yee-hoo! So let's go get that water heater. Mont Royal, so I have like a half an hour ride. Let's go. You! When you know you're doing the right thing, the right time, at the right place, at the right moment. I was going to go to the water heater, like I said, for my colleague, my friend. He's actually invited me for supper, but I had a call literally at 5 minutes from the Scrapyard, my add-on Kijiji. So 15 minutes later, I'm here, and it was on the 3rd floor, but it was all carpet, so I slided all the way down to my place, to my truck actually, and on the ice, so I didn't even took my dolly off. And 5 minutes from the Scrapyard, so it's a small load, but let's go drop that shred. And I find myself, he gave me as well another tape cassette DVD recorder. Those are the one actually that's supposed to be worth a lot, and a dual tape cassette for audio tape cassette. So we'll check, who knows. Let's go to the Scrapyard. Yoo-hoo! I like it when the customers are like surprised. You're gonna drop that, you're gonna take that fridge all by yourself? Sure, man. And she was cute as well. And gorgeous Haitian girl. Wow, really gorgeous. So on my way to the Scrapyard, literally 5 minutes from there. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! understand how effective I was. I have the time on the bills when I came in, 10:06, when I came out, 10:18, so 12 minutes to drop my first load, my big load this morning that I filmed. 73 bucks. At 10:18 I left the scrapyard. At 10:32 I went at another scrapyard and I print up that bill. So my load was ready. I bring them at 10:32 I was at the scrapyard. And an hour later at 11:28, so flush an hour later, I was managed to pick a fridge, an oven, and drop it at the scrapyard, and now 31 bucks later, so 15 bucks each. It's kind of good, huh? Fridge and oven, 31 bucks, only that. You living the dream, boys. I forgot, I wasn't able to drink my coffee. It's almost full. I ran all day long, so I wasn't able to drink it, so it's not even cold, but too bad. Let's see if my luck continue, because we are at roll up the rim, déroule le rebord. So let's see. Maybe I have a new truck here. No, try again. Try again. And I'll try again, but I have my free TMR coffee. Today is a scrap magic day. I like those days when you know that you're doing the right thing at the right time, at the right moment. So I just called my friend nearby. I'm just like at the corner of his place to get that water heater. He's not there yet. It's actually a place that he bought and thinking to sell. So I'm on that street waiting for him. He's supposed to be there in 10 minutes. And guess what? I found myself another water heater. Yahoo! So I picked myself a radio, just as still at the corner. A little microwave coming in the truck with me. Yoo-hoo! Honestly, I can't write it down. You won't believe it, me. So anyway, I just picked up that little pile of copper and brass. It was beside the ballast, light ballast, so I stopped for the light ballast and picked up some copper. So I'm loaded with couples of water tanks right now. Have the one that my friend gave me. He paid lunch. We eated Portuguese. It was really good. Took a beer from a microbrewery. Tasted really good. There's a pile there. Only wood. Yeah. Wood only. So, oh, I'll pop the camera up if I found something else. Yoo-hoo! This is one of many. Look the size of that pothole. What do you think happened if you drive into that? You freaking break your truck. 100% guarantee. Maybe it doesn't show right now, but it's like 8-inch deep.
2,000 years later.
So the plan for today: have couples of cast iron. That piece I'm not sure I'm gonna pick it. Not sure at all. Emptying near the drain. So water heater, pipes. I'm gonna take the easiest one. I'm gonna salvage a bit of copper. I was planning maybe on calling a friend to come help me, but I should be okay to manage it. So the basement, there's not that much. Maybe that heater there. Pretty much all the way to upstairs. So that beast coming with me. So I'm emptying all the water right now. Need to cut it. Those heaters. Those are copper eddy rats. So those are nice colors. So I'll have one there. I'm able to take the front of the fireplace. Thank you very much, Bracken Recycling. Again, useful tool. So this, that small one too. Oh, huge piece of brass just there. Copper allure ads. Another huge piece of brass there. Another one there. A heater. And have another beast here. That's the larger one. Heaters as well. Regular ones. And another copper one there. And I have a water heater upstairs. So should be good to cut them now. Maybe half an hour later, all my cuts have been done. Water's been drained. Just need to pick them, bring them in the truck. That's the tubing that I was able to salvage. So 1, 2, 3 beasts. That's the real one. That's the larger one. Maybe 400, 500 pounds. I'm gonna strap it on my dolly. Shouldn't be a problem at all. So in the truck it go. And downstairs the water heater, hopefully it's empty now. Yep. And that water heater I'm probably gonna go ask a friend of mine. Just tell me maybe if I missed something. Should I had picked those? Vintage as freak. That beast, I'm not gonna break my back on it. I think it's covered with asbestos. Gonna leave it there. Maybe for another day. If they cut it for me or prepare it, I'll come pick it up. But for now, anyway, I already have a nice, decent load. So 2 water heaters. Another one upstairs that needs to be cut. But I'm gonna take care of the first floor first. So you in the truck. Come on, you. Hey, what did I say? You in the truck. All that beautiful non-ferrous red gold to be prospected and stripped, to be processed and stripped. I have. That's a ground, huge size, nice score, and it's gonna be my load. So, let's go to the scrapyard. I saw myself a fridge on my way here. Hopefully it's still there. If not, too bad, so sad. But yee-hoo-hoo! Red gold. Not sure if I'll find else, but there was some people ice fishing on the lake, the river. Prairie. That's the name of the river. Grande Prairie. But there was some people fishing. Nice weather to go catch some fishes. There's maybe at least 2 foot of snow on the river. So You need to shovel even your hole. So, getting there, getting there. Free coffee. But the wind is crazy. Look at the scale. The wind blow. You can't really see it with the video. 140 pounds of wind. 140 pounds of winds. It go to 0, it go to 20. So yeah, crazy, crazy cold. It's like minus 40 minimum right now, honestly, with the wind chill. It's crazy, crazy. So 131 bucks, 1,260 pounds, and I have a fridge now to go pick nearby. Just had the call, so on our way there. Yee-hoo! A bare minimum of minus 35 Celsius right now. Honestly, with the wind, it's crazy cold. The camera doesn't worth it, but it's kind of cool with the wave of snow on the river, on the frozen river. So, a little peek. Let's go get that fridge.
I watch Jackpot Digger on YouTube, and I love it. Yes, I love it. Oh, we watch Jackpot Digger on YouTube. Yeah, we love it. Yeah, we love it.